Founded in July 1999, Dongfeng Automobile Company Limited is a China's listed leading automobile manufacturer and mainly engaged in development, design, manufacturing, and sales of commercial vehicles. The main products are trucks, buses, vans, clean energy vehicles, and electric vehicles. DFAC also develops and produces Dongfeng Cummins engines and Dongfeng Nissan engines. The offices and factories are in Xiangyang, Wuhan, Shouguang, and Shiyan. In 2020, the total assets of DFAC is $2.9 billion, and the total number of employees is 14,000. DFAC started overseas business in 2003, and the products are exported to more than 88 countries. We have our distributors all over the world and have our sales representatives in Southeast Asia, South America, Middle East, and Africa for sales and after-sales support. At present, we are vigorously developing new energy and electric vehicles. Some electric vehicles have passed the EU certification and exported to Austria, Colombia, Peru, and the Philippines. DFAC has the largest R&D center in China and the largest automobile testing plant in Asia. The testing plant is engaged in researching and developing of all series of improved and proactive products. The first light truck crash testing in July 2003 shows that Dongfeng's products fully meet the European standard. DFAC, your trustworthy partner, will accompany with you on the way to pursue success.